Alright guys, got a big crappie on here, I believe. Lisa's trying to get the net out.
I can't open the thing.
Pick it up and twist. If we lose it, guys, it's her fault.
It's not my fault.
Yes, it is.
You should have had it prepared.
Well, I didn't know you didn't know how to get the net.
Mm-hmm. No, I don't, because I catch the fish.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to fish this thing.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Okay, right there and back up with it.
Oh, that's a nice one. You're welcome.
I'll tell you.
I let you get it.
You was sleeping.
I was not sleeping.
Quit it. Quit it, quit it, quit it.
Yeah, that's a good size.
Quit it, quit it, quit it, quit it. Quit it. I swear you motherfuckers are crazy, don't they?
Give it some slack. Give it some slack. That's a keeper.
Mm-hmm. Are they running? Alright guys. First crappie at Macintosh. They always curl toward the camera. You can't see how big they are. There he is. Nice one.
Turn the live well on. Square it up.
Alright guys, I about run us in the bank, man, trying to fight this fish.
That you didn't even know it was on there.
I told you it was acting funny. I had to wake her up, told her to get the camera. It's dead weight, man. I wonder if it's a big old clump of grass.
I think it's a stick.
Do you? Well, that's positive thinking. I don't feel it jumping or kicking. Might be dragging grass. We went through all that grass a while ago.
That's a fish.
That's a line. All right.
Get her done.
All right, guys, we got something heavy on this one. I don't know what it is. Oh, he's way back there. Old bucket mouth. Huh. Let me get the net. Let me get the net. Man, where'd he go? There he is. Don't lose him. He's going to see some grease tonight. See him way back there? Look at him. Old bucket mouth. See on that line? Here he is. See on this line? See on that line?
No. No, other way. Other way.
Like this.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Here.
Don't let him get away, man. He's a big one. Ooh, stay down. There you go. See him in the water flashing? See him right there? Look at him. It's a nice one. See him? Oh, don't come up there and jump. Yes. You hear me?
Yeah.
Where'd that boat go? Huh?
It's right there. Why?
We don't need him to see what I caught.
Oh my gosh.
All right, guys, we caught another one. Nice crab. You're gonna see some grease tonight. Nice crab. Yes. Chrome or blue back.